So this is a Toyota Fortuner Legend. So this is a very popular SUV. So it comes with 2.8 liter turbocharged diesel engine. So max power around 200 horsepower. Max torque 500 Newton meter. Okay. So transmission with 6-speed automatic torque converter. So it comes with 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive. You can see this stylish car. So it also comes with dual tone exterior paint and 18-inch multi-layered machine cut alloy wheels. You can see. So it comes with the 7-seater car. So this is a luxurious and stylish choice for those who appreciate the toughness and reliability of Fortuner. So this is a very great car. If you want, you can buy it.